Hello, today I will be showing you how to sign up for and use Hoopla. From the homepage of our website, scroll until you find the box of our free online resources and find Hoopla. Click the link to get started and start searching through thousands of the best ebooks and audiobooks, movies, and more. Once Hoopla pops up, click the Get Started Today button, and you will first need to enter an email and to create a password. Then you need to search for the Catoosa County Library. Next, you will enter your library card number that starts with 21060, or a Pines e-card number will work as well. From the home page, you can begin your search. Unlike Pines and Libby, there is no hold wait for items. You simply select the title and click Borrow. You may borrow up to 5 titles a month. You can also search by just audiobooks or by ebooks or any other format. Up at the top right corner, there is also a kids mode that will show only kid-friendly options, and the borrowing process is just the same. Call us if you have any questions or concerns. We'd be happy to help.